Every parent knows. Gas bubbles mean an uncomfortable baby, and sometimes burping feels like a wrestling match. But here's a softer way. Instead of firm pats, place your baby upright against your chest. Feel their tiny head rest on your shoulder. Then with your hand, rub their back in slow, gentle upward circles. The warmth of your body, the rhythm of your touch, it calms them, and soon you'll hear that tiny burp escape. Simple, quiet, effective, and the best part? Your baby feels safe in your arms the entire time. Burping doesn't have to be stressful. It can be a loving moment. Try this and see the difference. For more comforting newborn tips, subscribe and let's make parenthood a little easier together.